First things first, you want to isolate your house at your manifold, then carefully remove the dust cap off the tap handle. Careful. Loosen the screw of a flathead screwdriver, then take it off by hand. Then yoink off the tap handle. Yoink. Loosen the assembly with a spanner or a crescent. Gently lever the washer and its seat off the assembly. And just look how disgusting that is. Ugh! Replace the ugly old washer with a brand new one, push it down hard, and make sure to get under all the lips so it's nice and snug in there. Then just put the assembly back into where you found it. You don't have to force it, and just do the reverse to put everything back together how it was. Don't forget to put the cap back on, and boop! And open up some taps to bleed out any air, open the manifold back up, and you have successfully fixed a leaking tap. Look at that, beautiful.